You have a mouthpiece that you have to connect together. This is where you put the medication and you plug it in right there. I'm going to set this up and you're going to connect it, like put this here, this mouthpiece for where you're going to, you open up your nebulizer, you just break it apart, like you twist it like this, and you open one of these little cans. Put it in here, liquid inside. Know how to use your we connect it, we push it. This end goes and connects to your device. Make sure you don't tip this over. Nebulizer. The other end goes into your machine, okay? We turn it on. Make sure you use the liquid all the way down. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. I hope I get better soon. When you use these nebulizers, use them as prescribed.